Adding and deleting a slide. What is a slide? A slide is a template that contains text, images, shapes, and movies, charts, and so on. A group of slides are called a presentation. PowerPoint 2007 provides you several ways to add a new slide in your presentation. Here are the steps to adding a new slide. Click the Home tab and move your mouse pointer to the Slides group. In that group, click on New Slide. A new slide will be added. You can also add different types of slides. As we did earlier, go to the Home tab and click the New Slide arrow button. There are different types of slides as you have seen in earlier lessons. Pick your favorite slide. Another way to add a new slide is to right-click on the left side pane. The pop-up window will appear. In the pop-up, click on New Slide. A new slide is added over here. After adding a slide, if you want to remove the added slide, PowerPoint 2007 provides an easy way to do it. Select a slide you want to delete, and press the Delete button. The slide will be deleted. You can also delete a slide using the mouse. Right-click on the slide you want to delete. A pop-up window will appear. Choose Delete Slide, and the slide will be removed. Copying and pasting a slide. Another way to create a new slide is to copy an existing one in the same presentation. This will be very important while working with multiple slides. There are several ways to copy one or more slides. One way is by using the Windows clipboard. Here are the steps to do this. In the left side pane, there are two tabs, Outline and Slides. Click the Slides tab. Right-click on the slide you want to copy. Then click Copy. Now the slide is copied in the Windows clipboard. Right-click the mouse on the same panel, and then click Paste. Now the slide is copied successfully. Copying slides from other presentations. Open a blank presentation. Here is the new presentation which contains only a blank slide. Open another presentation which is already saved. You have to make these two presentations visible in a single window. To do that, go to the View window in the Window group. Click the Arrange All command. Now the two presentations are displayed in the same window. Go to your saved presentation. Select a slide you want to copy, and right-click the mouse. Then choose Copy. Now the slide is ready to paste. Go to the blank presentation and right-click the mouse outside of the slide. Choose the Paste command. Now the slide is copied successfully. Creating a duplicate slide. PowerPoint provides you with a Duplicate Slides command. This does the same thing as a Copy and Paste command. To make a duplicate slide, do the following. Click on the slide that you want to be duplicated. Press Ctrl-D. This will create a duplicate slide. You can also make a duplicate slide by right-clicking the mouse on the panel and choosing Duplicate Slide. Show and hide a slide. When presenting our presentation, you may decide not to present certain slides, but you don't want them to be deleted. In this case, PowerPoint allows you to hide selected slides so they will not appear during the slideshow. Here are the steps to hide or show a slide. Select the slide you wish to hide. Go to the Slideshow tab and move the mouse pointer to the Setup group. Then click on Hide Slide. A gray crossed-out box appears over the slide number, indicating the slide will not show during the slideshow. There is no special option for showing the hidden slide. Instead, the Hide Slide button acts as a toggle between showing and hiding selected slides. Here are the steps to show a hidden slide. Move the mouse pointer to the Slides tab. select the slide you wish to unhide. Right-click the mouse and choose Hide Slide. A gray crossed-out box disappears over the slide number, indicating the slide will show during the slideshow. Zoom in the view. PowerPoint provides you some advanced zooming options, which help you while viewing presentations with smaller font sizes. If you need a closer look at your presentation, you can zoom the view in or out to adapt to almost any situation. The easiest way to set the zoom level is to drag the zoom slider in the bottom right corner of the PowerPoint window. Or by clicking its plus or minus buttons, you can increase or decrease the zoom level. To resize the current slide to still fit completely in the slides pane, click the Fit Slide to Current Window button. Another way to control the zoom is with the Zoom dialog box. For that, go to the View tab, move the mouse pointer to the Zoom group, and click on the Zoom button. Doing this displays the Zoom dialog box. Make your selection by clicking the appropriate button and then OK. The view varies depending on your computer screen and settings, but in general, 100% is respectable.